Hey guys, welcome back to La Kawaii Fondue. It's mayxflower on Wednesday, and I'm here to do my squishy collection, but this is going to be my Sanrio Squishy Collection. So let's just get started. The first squishy I have is this jumbo Hello Kitty donut with chocolate drizzle. This tag and the back. I have chocolate deluxe. This back. Very squishy. And finally, I have the Hello Kitty. Hello Kitty powder donut. I have the other designs, but they're just at my mom's house currently, so yeah. Next, I have this Hello Kitty in a pose costume, or yeah. And here's the ball chain. It's very squishy and it's licensed as well. And I'm sorry for this newish setup. My tripod broke and I am now using my phone because my camera, I got a new one, but I don't know how to work it because I got it for my birthday. So yeah. Then I have this Hello Kitty in a panda. Sorry if it's not focused. I have Hello Kitty in a bunny. And Hello Kitty in a pink bear. So I have all of them in the set. I have Hello Kitty in a chopper costume. I have this Hello Kitty macaron. I have Hello Kitty in a chip, and it's very squishy. I have Hello Kitty in a flan. I have Hello Kitty in a mayonnaise bottle. I'm looking for the onigiri and the octopus. So I have Hello Kitty in a pineapple. I have this Hello Kitty in a plushy bunny. And those are all of my Hello Kitty squishies. So moving on to the rest of my Sanrio squishies, I have Cinnamoroll, so I have this one. And here's the ball chain that comes with it, and the tag that comes with it. I also have this one. As well as this one. Then I have this baby Cinnamoroll. I'm going to just try to focus it. Okay. I have a Cinnamoroll on a cupcake. Oopsies. And I have this fluffy Cinnamoroll and mocha. Then I have my Melody. And these are, just put this in. Okay. I have this My Melody tag pantsing like squishy. And finally, for the last squishy in my Sanrio Squishy Collection, is this My Melody plushie head. It's tag. So that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching this short little video. Stay tuned for the rest of the collab week, and I'll catch you guys next time. Bye!